Hey guys, how are you guys doing with this pandemic? Leave in the comments below. Are you guys okay? If you're out of work, I heard grocery stores are currently hiring, so if you guys are looking for a job, make sure you guys go through that. But let me know how you guys are dealing with this in the comments. I am just been kind of focusing on like a lot of editing and creativity. That way I don't sit there and just stress out about it. Try not to watch the news too much. But I found this old video that I have not uploaded, and I have a lot of them. It's for the grand opening for Sway, my tattoo artist. I did all this crazy amazing art. He opened a shop called the Black Sheep Tattoo over in Culver City. So if you guys want to ever get a tattoo, look at this, looks so good, make sure you guys hit him up. But this is a video from the grand opening, super chill vibes, really cool. Check it out, let me know what you guys think, and hopefully you guys are staying safe out there. What's up? Good morning, guys. Okay, so this might be one of the first vlogs of the entire year. We got Robbie D over here, and we got G right behind the camera. What's up? Say hi, G. Hi. He's a girl this year. We are headed over to Sway's house, Sway's new shop. We used to tattoo out of his house, which was super sick. Most of this was done over at his old spot. All of this was done recently at his new shop this entire weekend, where he's having a grand opening. So Saturday, we're hopping over there. We should be there about in an hour and a half, depending on traffic. And I heard there's a taco truck. Let's go. What's up, guys? We're at Sway's shop over in Culver City. This is the Black Sheep Tattoo right behind me. His grand opening is Friday, Saturday, Sunday as of right now. If you guys want to hit up Sway, he did all this work. This is 3 years old, and this is the last like 4 months. And look, they look the same still, right? So really good. If you guys want to check out the shop, they're having a little party inside, but join me. Let's go. You guys know what's crazy about this? I did not realize Sway's shop is only a few blocks away from where I almost died. So I've had a couple incidents. You guys followed me long enough, you know. I have like a couple tattoos that represent it. But this spot, it's only a few blocks away, which is fucking mind-blowing. Robbie D. So awkward on camera, I don't know what to do. I've been doing this for 10 years, I still don't know what to do with my hands. What do I do with my hands? FYI, this is Sway.
What up?
Seen him many times.
What's happening? Y'all know who it is, what time it is. What up, man? Sway. You guys probably seen me before. You check me out on Instagram. It's at Sway818. Definitely follow the shop, the Black Sheep Tattoo, T-A-T-T with a number 2. This is the shop, man. Hope you guys enjoyed how it came out. Definitely follow us when we give away more free shit.
say bye to Sway? Sway, good seeing you. We're gonna finish this soon. I got my back to finish. We got some color to add, so we have to figure out what we're gonna put back here.
You still want to finish the inside, right?
Yeah, we have to put color. The violet's here and the red here.
To the armpit?
Maybe.
Yeah.
No nipple though. That shit hurts.
Oh,
so
you
bad.
know the nipples are even blacked out.
Yeah, no, we're not gonna do it. No, we're not gonna do it.
We gotta see what yours
No,
looks
we're
like.
not gonna do it.
Because we're gonna black it out.
I can't black my
You
nipples.
have a nipple in the middle of the piece?
No, no.
It's gonna be like a dragon's eye or
It's
something.
okay. Yeah, I can't do it. That was the most painful part. FYI. Alright guys, good night. Peace. And that's all for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. I have a ton of old videos. If you guys can please leave a comment below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see, because I probably have done all of it. Vacation, car stuff, hang out, chill, scooter, everything. I have all sorts of content I have not edited so I can go through it. It'd be like a time capsule. Anyways, thanks for watching guys. See you guys later. Peace.